Today I'm gonna, one sec, I'm gonna close my curtain. Anyway, as I was saying, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a sprite in Scratch spin around forever. So, when you create a new game, like project, go to Control here, then take out the thing that says forever, right? Then go to motion, and then any one of these two that says turn, whatever degrees in here, it depends how much you put in, is basically going to be how fast it is. Any one. And then press, and then, no, I mean like, click it, then put, when the green flag is clicked, and then press the green flag. Whee! And here's a bonus. To make any sprite spin, you get when green flag is clicked, then again forever. This is to do them forever, by the way. You can just do repeat or like that stuff. I don't know how to do. Well, I do know how to do. Then go back to motion. Then get glide 1 second to random position. Or any sprite. And click this, and then whee. I like to make games like this with funny noises. So yeah. That's how to make a sprite spin forever or like glide to random positions. Now, I don't know how to enable collision, but I think I know how to make sounds when they touch each other. I'm gonna get a random sprite here. Half of the stuff is my friend using my laptop because I've been teaching him on Scratch. Anyway, yeah, new sprite. I'm gonna resize it down a little. 57. There we go. Now I'm gonna, sorry about that. Then I'm gonna do these. Then 2 of these out. Yeah, you know how to do it. I just showed you. Sorry about this noise. I'm using my blanket as a, you might not see it since, oh, there you go. Yeah, I don't really have a mouse pad. It looks pitch black in the picture, but it's quite bright in my room. Anyway, yeah. Then sensing, I believe. Then touching mouse pointer. No, you change it to cat or whatever your sprite is named. Then go to control. Then get if whatever the shape is. Then get touching cat. Then like this. Then put forever inside. No, not forever. Sorry. Unless you wanna make a sound forever or repeat it. I'm gonna upload a random sound, whichever one pops up. You could pick any. One sec. Oh no, never mind. I'm gonna do that. Then if touching cat, play sound bell toll until done. Event when sprite is clicked. No, when green flag is clicked. then you should probably do forever outside of it, so then it's just not when the green flag is clicked. I didn't know. Yeah. You should do play sound until done. I'm gonna pause this because it's getting annoying. But unless you want it to be weird and like keep doing it every time the sprite touches, just do just replace this with just start sound. Then yeah. I'm gonna actually change it. Then to save a project, press save now. If you have an account, no, you can save it. I'm gonna rename it to Taco Bell. I don't know why, it's just something random I came up with. Then press share. And yeah. Also, don't mind my profile picture. It was just raining with tacos in it from Emoji Kitchen, but I was trying to make it this sprite in there, not a cat sprite. The yellow circle thing. But this was saying it can't, so I just changed it to something random in my gallery. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed that, says, just in case you can't read. I know someone who can't read. Oh, I hope that helped you out. I'm gonna delete that because yeah. Anyway. Yeah. By the way, this is my... Is this leading? No, it's just really close to my laptop. This is my username. If you want to look me up and follow me maybe. And if it loads, we can start chat. Also, don't mind how I am following myself. It's a glitch. I don't know how. Oh yeah. I followed a YouTube tutorial. So yeah. Anyway. Why is it saying I'm in New Zealand? Because I am not in New Zealand, I'm in UK. Oh yeah, here's a bonus. Why am I saying sorry? I just hit my iPad. How to change your location. Just click on your account here, then click account settings, then click here, and then click any. I'm gonna keep as New Zealand since it's a joke with my friends. And then click save my changes. Don't accidentally click on this little that'll delete your account. I'm not deleting this account. I have a lot of projects I've worked hard on this, so this is my first ever project. Proper one. It is nostalgic. And I made my name in rainbow. I'm just going on random projects. I don't know why. If you want to see it. Yeah. I think it's pretty cool. Like, it's not... I tried to make it slower, but it wasn't going slower, just in case people have seizures from flashing lights. Oh, that's why I just covered it. Flash warning, by the way. Kind of. I don't know how that stuff works. Anyway, yeah, also, another bonus. To reload your page, or go to home page, just click on the scratch thing. And yeah. So yeah. Have a good day. I'm gonna talk it to bruv. There. Hope you have a good day or night, whatever time it is for you guys. And my laptop's turned Alright. I might be a bit bright. I keep forgetting to turn my lamp off. Anyway, bye. I'm gonna post this now. Okay. Bye.